Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about 6 MCQs based on first lesson in 2018 A-level question number 1 to 6. Then first question, which of the following statement is a normative statement? Then first we will discuss the difference between positive statements and normative statements. In positive statements, answer the questions of what happened, what will happen, and the statements that can be proved are called positive statements. Then actually in positive statements, the existing things are described as it is, as well as these statements can be proved by referring to the real world fact. Normative statements are the statements presented in relation to what should exist. What should exist, right? What should exist and what should happen, or we call what ought to be in the society. It expresses some opinion about the fact. Then we can express some opinions about the fact. Then these normative statements, we can't prove whether it is correct or wrong, right? Therefore, these statements are normally subjective statements, right? Then some opinions are given. Then we will find out about the normative statements. Normative statement, right? Then increasing fuel price will encourage the demand for electric cars. Then here, what will happen is explained. Therefore, it is a positive statement. If income increases, sales of luxury goods will fall. Then here also a positive statement is expressed. Actually, this one is also wrong, right? That means when our income increases, the demand for luxury goods will increase. Somehow this is positive statement, but this statement is wrong. Then as laptop prices fall, people will buy more of them. Then this one also, what will happen is explained. This is a condition related to the law of demand. And these three things are positive statements, therefore won't come. Government should control the rents that house owners charge. Now here, some opinion is given. Should control. Some value judgment is given and expresses some opinion about the fact. And this one is a normative statement. Normative statement. This one is correct. Next one. The quantity demanded of a good is inversely related to change in its price. Then this is economic theory, or we call law of demand is expressed. And this is also positive statement. Then this one also won't come. Then the answer is the fourth one. Question number 2. Which one of the following is an example of land as a factor of production? Example of land. Then we will understand the meaning of land first. Land, natural resources gifted from nature which can be used productively in production are called land. Yeah, natural resources, not the man-made, right? Natural resources. If it is man-made one, it will become capital, right? Or resources such as forest, minerals, ocean, rivers, wild animals, and air located above or below the earth are included to the land. Then we got the subject matter. Now we will find out the correct answer. Magampura Harbour, it is man-made one. It belongs to capital. Human efforts are added to this, right? Then Southern Expressway also man-made one. It is not a natural resource. It belongs to capital. Economic overhead capital. This one is also economic overhead capital. Then Victoria Dam, it is not natural resource, man-made one. It's also belongs to capital, economic overhead capital. Ambevale Dairy Farm. Then to do this one, natural resources have used, but some changes have made on natural resources. In that case, it becomes, if human efforts are added, and then that becomes capital, right? Therefore, this one also will not come. The answer is Pasikuda Beach. Then it is productive natural resource that can be used to do tourism activities. Therefore, this one belongs to land Pasikuda Beach. Third one. Which of the following is always true of an economy operating on its production possibilities frontier? Now I gave here PPC, production possibilities curve. Then here, then the point stays on the PPC as point A. Which one of the following is always true? Always true, right? It must be a free market economy. Then we can't say when the economy operates on its PPC, we can't say whether it is market economy or command economy. Therefore, this one and this one will not come. And it is its resources are fully employed if all the existing resource endowment is employed fully. Economy's production combination point lies on PPC. And we can take this one as correct one, but we will discuss the other parts also. It has achieved production efficiency but impossible to achieve allocative efficiency. Then here, if productive efficiency is achieved, a production combination point stays on the PPC, as well as allocative efficiency also, production combination point lies on the PPC. Here it says it's impossible to achieve allocative efficiency. Therefore, we can't say that allocative efficiency also stays on the PPC. Then fifth one, it must have a linear production possibilities frontier. Then here, if it is a linear production possibility frontier, the constant opportunity cost is shown. But we can't say about this by using this fact. Therefore, this one also won't come. Then the answer is the third one. Its resources are fully employed. Fourth one, on a diagram of production possibilities frontier, opportunity cost is represented by, normally the opportunity cost is represented by the slope of the production possibilities curve. If the slope is like this, that means if the slope is like this, concave to origin slope, then we can say increasing opportunity cost is there. If the slope of the production possibility curve is like this, or we call straight line, if the straight line PPC is there, the opportunity cost is constant. Therefore, opportunity cost is shown by the slope of the production possibilities curve. Then this one is correct. A point inside the production possibilities curve, in that we can show unemployment, inefficiency and all. A ray through the origin. We can take that. A point on the vertical axis. We can take a point on horizontal axis. That's also wrong. Then answer is this one. The slope of the production possibilities frontier. Question number 5. Which of the following is necessary for a well-functioning capitalist economy, but not in a command economy? We will check. Centralized decision making. It is centralized decision making should be there in command economy to well function. Scarcity of resources. Whatever the economy it is, common to all the economies. We can't take this. Then monopolies can be seen in market economy as well as command economy. In command economies, government monopolies can be seen. This one will not support for the well function of capitalist economy. Fourth one, protection of property rights. Then this one is correct. The reason is here the well functioning of the capitalist economy depends on the extent that property rights are ensured. If property rights are ensured only, those economies will function well. Here property rights mean the rights individuals or firms have the exclusive use of their property, including rights to buy or sell it. And property rights means actually the ownership rights, and they have to have rights to sell them as they wish, but they have to have rights to earn money by using those properties. Then, if those property rights are ensured only, market economies will function, right? And that is a key point you have to understand. In this one also positive externalities will not come. Then due to the existence of externalities, whether it is positive or negative, in capitalist economies, they don't take into consideration those externalities, then it leads to market failure, right? Then the correct answer is the fourth one. When a firm is producing the allocative efficient level of output, now we will understand the meaning of allocative efficiency. Allocative efficiency means that resources are allocated to produce goods and services most wanted by the society. Then most wanted by the society. Then this optimal situation is achieved when the marginal cost of producing each good is equal to its price. Then we can find out the answer for this question. When a firm is producing the allocative efficient level of output, total revenue is equal to the total cost. We don't discuss about the TR and TC. Discuss marginal cost should be equivalent to the price. Then marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. And second one, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. We will keep this one to find out the most appropriate one. Third one, marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. No. Price is equal to the average total cost. P ATC. P should be equal to ATC. This one also won't come. Price is equal to marginal cost. Then see here, price should be equal to the marginal cost. Therefore, this one is correct. Then we can't take this one also. Then answer is the fifth one. Price is equal to marginal cost. Thank you so much for watching.